Welcome back, Roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and today I am going to try a new cleanser. Lately, I've been trying to stock up on my cleanser so I don't have to worry about it at least until next year. So yes, I have another purchase here from Product Junkie Naturals. Today we're working with the Rice Water Activated Mint Cleanser. And while we are talking about cleansers and everything, I know you clean your hair. So if you clean your hair or like clean hair just as much as I do, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, like this video right now, and get ready to make a comment, okay? So as you can see, I've already squeezed this out of the bottle. It's thick and the texture smooth, but yet it's like gel-like. Y'all, I need a wash and detox. Like, I need a wash and I need a detox to this hair and scalp. My scalp. Y'all see my scalp? Yeah, look. Oh my gosh, y'all, look. Yeah. So let's go ahead and get into applying this. I said I needed y'all to send for help, and I'm about to help myself to this Rice Water Activated Mint Cleanser, so I'll get back to you in a moment to go over a little bit more about this product. Ooh, okay. It says the thick, rich lather detoxifies while cleansing scalp and hair without stripping of moisture. There's no smell. Not to me, nothing that I noticed. So if you're looking for a minting smell, you're not gonna find it. I don't notice anything at all. So y'all see these curls turn up? Okay. So this had the directions. It says section hair into pores, apply cleanser to hair and scalp, focusing on the scalp gently, massage using the pads or fingertips, rinse well, follow up with your favorite PJND conditioner. This has distilled water in it, rice water extract, castor oil, activated charcoal, essential oil blend. Now look at that. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my hair, and we'll see what that looks like. Ooh, this consistency, boy. That is nice. That is nice. Lips starting up. Okay. Okay. Doing my second wash now. Clearly, way more suds. Y'all hear that? Okay, I'm back. Clean hair. Finally.
hair and scalp. I was actually worried, again, anytime I use a lathering cleanser, shampoo, something like that, I think it's going to strip my hair. But this did not. This is packed full of moisture. I had plenty of lather, but no squeaking. My hair is clean. It has a tiny bit of tingle. If you really don't go for tingle from minty type products, you'll like this product. The charcoal I welcome because I really need to get down deep into my scalp. I needed to pull all that stuff on out. I suffer from dry scalp, so I really needed that water in it. I couldn't tell difference. I mean, I don't really use products with rice water in it, so it is rice water activated mint cleanser. Let me know, have you used this product here? Use anything from her rice water collection? Also, nice gentle cleanser that toxifies and keeps you moisturized. I am happy. My hair is soft, my hair is clean, my scalp is clean. No more dandruff, buildup. Bye-bye. Now ready for my conditioner. We'll see what conditioner I choose to use from my recent unboxing. So you'll have to stay tuned for the next video to see what do you think of my results. What did you think about the curl definition I was getting while I was using it, y'all? I mean, it got all deep into them waves and curls. Anyway, so other than that, that's it for today. Roses, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment, and please share. Just pass this on to anyone who's interested in a shampoo that has charcoal in it, mint in it, who's interested in product Junkie Naturals, who's interested in anything with rice water in it. Just go ahead and share it. Let's go ahead and get these videos out there so we can bring more people into our rose garden, okay? I'll talk to you later, roses.